With
Synteso, you're buying expertise developed over decades of careful fire research. And here at the Siemens Fire Lab, you'll see just how sophisticated our testing is. With me is Markus Speni for your help. What are we about to see here?
We have the ability to provide a live demonstration of the detection behavior for the new generation of Synteso fire detectors. We'll see 3 tests. The first one is a false alarm. We have a welder here. We'll use the welder and show that our new Synteso detectors won't react to this false alarm. However, they react very quickly to a real fire. We'll see both a smoldering fire and an open fire in these tests. Before we start the first test, let me quickly show you what you'll see on the screen. Up here is the current temperature, and below that is a figure showing how dense the smoke in the room is. Here are the different fire detectors we're testing with the different danger levels. On the right side, you see the temperature and the concentration of smoke from the front and back dispersers. Then down here, you see the danger levels listed. Level 1, 2, or 3. At Siemens, danger level 2 is a warning, and danger level 3 is an alarm. Now here's the welding test. You can see the aerosols rising to the ceiling. It'll take a few seconds for the aerosols to enter the detectors and generate the corresponding signals. We see that traditional fire detectors from our competitors, like an ionization detector and a photoelectric detector, don't classify these aerosols as a false alarm. These alarms are triggered. We see that the optimal detector for this kind of environment is this one here. Down here, it reacted for a second and said, "Something's happening here." But it didn't give a warning, and it didn't trigger a full-blown alarm. This was exactly our goal for the new Synteso generation. Recognize a false alarm as just that, a false alarm. Now for the second test, a smoldering fire. Against this black background, you can clearly see the aerosols slowly rising. Now you can see that the photoelectric Synteso detector is already showing a level 1 danger signal, and then goes to level 2. While an ionization detector, millions of which are still being used, is practically incapable of detecting a fire like this. And here we see the results of this test. Traditional fire detectors still haven't reacted to the smoldering fire, while the Synteso detectors have already triggered a level 3 alarm. So no matter what kind of fire we have, we've got everything under control. And now for the third test, the open fire. We've ignited the fire. You see that the ionization detector, which is excellent at detecting open fires, is already showing an alarm. But the Synteso reacted even faster than the ionization detector. This means no matter what kind of fire, a smoldering fire or an open fire, with Synteso we're always faster than the conventional detectors.